guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have an exciting Louis Vuitton unboxing. This particular piece just released today, April 2nd of 2021. So this particular collection is actually a second wave release from the Bipool collection. So if you're familiar with the Bipool collection, you probably have an idea of those beautiful, beautiful, lovely colors. So anyway, guys, I totally did not expect this purchase because as we all know that Louis Vuitton with the new policy with the canvas, so you're no longer allowed to pre-order an item for the upcoming release of their new item that's made up of canvas. So pretty much like your options in order to avail those, especially with the limited edition ones, is purchase the item on the day it was launched on the website or the store. Like physically you have to go to the store, or reach out with your SA. So your SA would write it down on their notes that you're interested in a particular item, and they can keep an eye on the particular piece. But this one, I wanted this to pre-order this, and of course my SA said that they are no longer accepting pre-orders especially with the canvas. And I was a little bit disappointed because I know that this is very, very popular piece. I know that I have been collecting this particular piece for quite some time. I have several of these, but this particular collection that I have right now, it's limited. So they only release this once a year. So anyway, I was totally astonished that she texted me this morning. She said, I put aside one for you. And it's so surprising because it is a flagship store and they only receive 2 of these items. So I don't know what's actually going on. And when I went to the website, obviously it's gone. It's call for availability. I assume those were sold out. And guys, I didn't have the time to stalk the website in the middle of the night just to get the first dibs on this item. I didn't have any time for that. And also I stalked the website from time to time, but not in the middle of the night actually when it was released. So anyway, if you wanted to add this in your collection by the Bipool collection, they are available right now. Reach out with your SA or go to the nearest Louis Vuitton store. You might get lucky that they would still have it. But yes, all you have to do is just go to the store because, like I mentioned, or you could call your SA and order over the phone and they could reserve it for you. I think you could do that. But in my case, she already knew what I wanted. She contacted me. I paid right away and I got the item. And I was like, did not expect to get this because this is one of the Louis Vuitton pieces that is highly sought after. So anyway, I got the package. Oh my gosh, I already saw this at the store. I checked this at the store before I took it home, and it's gorgeous, guys. It's just, I can't get over how beautiful it is. Wow, absolutely amazing. The color wave for the Bipool collection is beautiful. So anyway, it was wrapped like this. Very nice with a ribbon. This is my receipt. I'm gonna tell you how much. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Here she is. The dust bag. And this is, oh my gosh. Look at that. This is a Kirigami Pochette. Oh my gosh. This is the special edition by the Bipool collection for spring and summer 2021. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at those beautiful, beautiful pastel colors. Oh my gosh. On the side, at the back, So this at the back here, it's like a giant Louis Vuitton logo. Wow. Oh my goodness. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. And this one has a press stud closure, which has a gold hardware. Very lovely. So let me open this. So I got the one that's made in France. It's has a gold foil in it. Let me try. Okay. It actually, this one, I've noticed that the closure right here has a bar, which is the old closure. And I think it's perfect. Yeah, it's perfect. So this is the larger pochette. Okay, I already took all the inserts. This is the larger pochette. It's in light pink. So right here, this one right here is pink, and then towards on this area it is like yellow. Beautiful yellow color, very nice. It seems like if I put it closer, it seems like the camera is it's like too bright though. Maybe I should have just put it right here a little bit further. So a little bit farther. So yeah, this one is right here is pink, and this one is yellow. Beautiful. And the large logos are in white. Beautiful. The inside interior for this is actually in light pink as well. Beautiful. Wow, the color has this calming effect. It is really, really nice. Wow. So this is the large pochette in the light pink. Moving on to the next pochette. So are you ready for the next pochette? This is, look at that. This is in blue. Oh my goodness. This one is so cute. Oh my gosh. The ombre color is amazing. So this one has a different print, guys. This one is the giant, and this one is more like little regular monogram. So this one has a gold hardware as well, press stud closure. And let me just, okay. So this one right here, oh my gosh. So look at that. This part right here is more likely a beige color right here. And this one is more likely a blue color. It's lighter on this side and it gets darker at the bottom. Absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh. The inside, the interior, it's in blue as well. Wow. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So that's the interior. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Look at the blue. It actually matches my shirt. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. So this is the medium pochette. Absolutely gorgeous. Moving on to the next one. So this is the third one. So we all know that the Kirigami Pochette consists of 3 pochettes. We have the large, we have the medium, and this is the smallest one. So this is the mist gray color. So the Bible collection came in with 3 colors. They have the light pink, the blue, and the mist gray. Wow. So you guys could see that color right there. Hope my camera is picking up. So more likely this part is gray. Right here is gray. And then this one right here is more likely a little hint of orange, I guess. Yeah, it's so hard to tell, but it's like the ombre color. It's hard. So inside, actually, okay, here's the code. Inside has those beige color. Beautiful. This one has a gold hardware as well. So let me see. Yeah, this one is gorgeous as well. So this is the smallest pouch. Yes, this is the smallest pouch. And wow, so you could fit cards in here. This one could fit a passport, and that one, it could fit a tablet. But I didn't have I have a larger tablet. I'm not sure that would fit. So now, since I decided to get this, I'm a little bit worried about the color transfer. I always have very conscious when it comes to purchasing something that is in a brighter color. But since this particular piece didn't have, the interior is lighter, so I have this inserts in here, and I think this would help to prevent the item from getting dirty. So let me try to put this inside. So this one has a rivets right here. If you wanted to use this as a crossbody, that would work as well. And let me see. Oh yeah, I think this color complements perfectly with the pochette, guys. The green color is amazing. It also has little compartments inside. So yeah, I would, if you wanted to get this particular pochette, I would suggest to get a inserts to protect the interior. Especially the interior for this is very light and it attracts a lot of dirt. But I have the Kirigami and Game On collection. The interior for that is black, so I'm not too worried about that. I didn't even like, when I use it, I didn't even like put any inserts at all. But regardless, I love this organizer. So that's for the first one. This is for the tiny pochette. I could fit this one in here and put some cards. It fits perfectly inside. Beautiful. The interior is very and then this is for the oh guys, look at the color. The blue color is beautiful. Oh. So with the good thing about this Kirigami Pochette is you were able to get all the colors with the price of one. So that's what I was thinking. It's like, well, okay, here, I'm going to show you. This is for the medium pochette. And yeah, beautiful. Wow. So you just have to protect your investment. So all of these has those manufacturing logo. This one is made in France. This one is made in France as well. I've already checked. And let me see if each one of these has a... So this one has a date code which says SN0291. So this was manufactured in the 9th week of 2021. So yeah, oh my gosh, all these three are gorgeous. I would highly recommend this, guys. If you want to add the Bible collection, if you're interested with the Bible collection, go with the Kirigami Pochette. If you will definitely love the color. This beautiful pop of colors. Oh my gosh, especially the blue. The blue is my favorite one so far. The large. We have the medium size and then the small. So as you guys have noticed behind me, I have two giant toiletry pouches. So those are the items that I purchased a few years ago and I love it. And it's holding up pretty well. I didn't see any sort of fading, chipping or anything with the canvas that I have for the giant monogram, and I love it so much. So I did not hesitate to get this because I know for the fact that my previous one was crafted beautifully and the colors is no fading at all. It's still beautiful after a few years, and I think with the same thing with this beautiful pouches. So yeah, I know that it is so hard to get a hands on any of these right now, but my advice would have been reach out with USA. Don't give up. If you actually wanted this in your collection, don't give up. Just speak to your essay, and eventually if this one would come out, then hopefully that you'll be able to get to purchase this. But I know that when they still take orders for this, they might probably like release few more in the next few weeks. But hopefully, I know that this has already been sold out online. I checked it early this morning, around 6 o'clock this morning. It's completely gone. A lot of those items were completely gone. And also at the store today, I got an opportunity to actually check other items that was released. And let me just share what I've here's the code, the product code. It's M80377. So that's the Kirigami. And actually at the store today, I actually saw a lot of things. There was only like a couple of us at the store today when I went in, and she's already buying something. So I saw there's a lot. There were like several multi-pochette accessoires were released today. They have it in Empreinte leather, and also in the Bipool collection. And yes, it's a little bit pricey though, especially with the Empreinte because it is leather. So anyway, I saw this. This is actually in mist gray color, and I think it's gorgeous. So you guys can see right there. I am actually, I just took a little bit of clip from it, and I think it's gorgeous. It's, if you have a multi-pochette accessoire, it looks similar to that, but a different canvas. I also got an opportunity to see this beautiful multi-pochette in Empreinte leather. And one thing that sold me with this piece is the chain strap, which is a braided chain, a combination of leather and chain strap. It's gorgeous and it feels so luxurious, guys. It was very well done. I checked the straps. If I could just only purchase the strap, I would, but maybe they would allow me to do that. I'm not sure. But yes, I love the strap for this. I took some videos so you guys, you'll be able to see up close. Very nice. Very, very nice. And also they have the on the go as well. And it's beautiful. The combination of the pink and the yellow and the white with the, gorgeous, guys. This piece is gorgeous, but I can even see myself purchasing this or add it in my collection because I am totally scared with the color transfer, and also it gets dirty easy, especially with this particular bag. And also the handle for this piece is actually made up of vachetta leather. So another issues that I have with. So anyway, so if you wanted to add this Bipool collection, I would highly recommend it. They are beautiful. The color is amazing. I am so in love with it. And I am just one of those lucky person today to get one of these, to get the first dibs on this beautiful Kirigami Pochette. And yeah, you just, since this today was the released, I would suggest to check the website periodically. So who knows, they would replenish the website. Who knows, really. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.